Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. The Sleepwalker. Full story. One night, as a woman and her kids were in the house waiting on her husband to come home, a small voice whispered to her. It was a strange but compelling voice that was very strong. It led her out of her house and onto the pathway. She was barefoot. As she left her kids behind, she continued to walk further, and the voice continued to lead her. As she walked along the dark main road, her husband, who was on his way home, saw a woman walking in the late night alone. That was when he realized that it was his wife.
Follow Jamaican true
He quickly
stories.
jumped out of his vehicle and asked her where she was going. She said that she was going to Nagahead. He asked her why, and she said she just feels like it. He saw that she was barefoot and instantly knew that something was wrong. He lifted her up, put her into the vehicle, and took her home. When she finally snapped out of the trance, he asked her what was wrong, and she told him that she was with the kids, and suddenly she heard a voice whisper to her to leave them and walk to Nagahead. The voice was so strong and powerful that she couldn't resist it. It was a good thing her husband saw her, because Nagahead is a not-so-friendly ghetto in the heart of Portmore. Who knows what could have happened to her that night?
Like and follow for more.